All right, Hagador. Here we go. Well, wondered how long it was going to be till there was stuff blocking the trail. So, here's the first, trying out this new little gizmo that I got. We'll see how good this works. I'd say that works pretty good. That's better. Yep. Somebody's got to do it. Well, another one. Hey! Ha! That was an easy one. All right, here we go. Rainy morning. I'm up pretty far in Hagador, and I got to head back to work, so here we go. I was hoping it was going to be raining a little bit more. I have never got a repeat of a time I was down here once when the water was really flowing. It was just super fun, and it's just trickling, the one I have to make always. I think last time I didn't really make it, but I counted it, so. Ah, man, that was so easy. They're all easy when you do them right. Yay, it's clear here. Hey, what do you know? Whatever that was, it caught my helmet. Oh yeah, no feet. All right, nice ride up Hagador in the rain. I wish it was raining more, actually. I've been up here when it's been a super rainstorm and the water was just rushing down, and was really cool crossing the streams back and forth. But it was good today. A lot of debris on the trails. I had to stop and clear, but I was prepared for that, so that was cool. Well, that was a great ride. Every ride's great, right? So I got my helmet covered with the bag, so and it drapes down my back, so water doesn't run down my back. Ooh, that's bright. And then whole rain suit. Got bags in my shoes, so I'll stay nice and dry, so it should be fun. This bike does wheelie good. Wheelie, wheelie, wheelie. Oh, wheelie? Yes. Oh, nice.